Why do I love Sri Lanka, or what is there not to love about Sri Lanka? For me as a surfer, Sri Lanka is a true paradise. Sri Lanka is one of the few countries to have about 20 different surf spots, all within 30 minutes drive. Furthermore, you do not need boats or hike to reach the surf spot. You can just check the surf with scooter and then paddle in. And even in the busiest time, you can still score some uncrowded waves. Also, there are waves for everyone, from barrels to mellow longboarding waves. It is truly amazing if you think about it. Second reason why I love Sri Lanka is the nature. There are rainforests, mountains and pristine beaches just for you. You can see wild elephants and even spot leopards in the national parks. You always surf with turtles and even can see whales. Monkeys are everyday companions, and monitor lizard will become your spirit animal. I also love that in Sri Lanka you can easily immerse yourself to local culture very fast. It is easy to interact with locals and eat plenty of local rice and curry. But there is also plenty of option for foodies. If you want, you can also eat local kottu and then have a sunset espresso martini. There are choices for everyone. Mix of cultures, tolerance and diversity makes Sri Lanka truly a unique place. Sri Lanka, too good to forget.